going to show you some secrets to help you make a truly unforgettable Caesar salad.
7 secrets.
Start by cutting 3 cloves of garlic in half. Secret number 1. To prevent the garlic from having a taste that's overwhelming, we remove the sprout from the inside of each clove. Add a little salt to make it easier to finely chop the garlic. We're going to use anchovy fillets in our dressing. We're adding 6 fillets. Finely chop the anchovies along with the garlic. Secrets number 2 and 3. Add capers and pickles.
We only use a small amount.
But the taste makes a huge difference. Finely chop the capers and pickles, then mix with the anchovies and garlic and keep chopping. Once finely chopped, add to a bowl, then add about a tablespoon of lemon juice. Remove any seeds from the lemon juice. Secret number 4. Use mayonnaise.
Caesar salad dressing is mayonnaise based.
By using store-bought or pre-made homemade mayonnaise, you make your job much easier. We have a video on how to make homemade mayonnaise in only 2 minutes. We'll link to the recipe in the description. Add a cup of mayonnaise to the bowl. Now we'll grate some Parmesan into the mix. We are grating it finely with a microplane. Add a little pepper and mix until combined. Now taste and add more of whatever you think is missing. Or maybe it's already perfect. Store the dressing in the fridge while you make some homemade croutons. We make ours with a baguette. You can use any kind of bread. Slice up the baguette into small, bite-sized pieces. We use a regular sharp knife, not a bread knife, because it's easier for slicing into small pieces.
Many people bake their croutons in the oven.
But our secret is to make them in a frying pan instead.
When you bake them in the oven, they get dried out.
Plus, you're using a lot of energy for a small thing when you bake them in the oven. Heat the pan to medium, then add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, a clove of garlic halved, a teaspoon of dried rosemary, or a sprig of fresh rosemary if you have it. Let the oil infuse for 30 seconds, shaking the pan a bit as it infuses. Now add the chopped bread and mix by shaking and lifting the pan, like this. You can also stir and flip using a spatula. Add a pinch of salt and pepper and keep shaking and lifting frequently. Keep cooking until the croutons turn golden brown. It should take at least 5 minutes. The outside of the croutons will be crunchy, but the inside will be soft and full of flavor. Transfer to a bowl or plate to cool. These croutons are so tasty. Don't eat them all before you put them in the salad. Now we'll prepare the romaine lettuce. First, break off all the leaves, then break them into pieces with your hands. We do it this way because if you use a knife, the edges of the lettuce turn brown where they've been cut. If it's not pre-washed, wash and spin the lettuce. Spin it a lot because for Caesar salad it's very important the leaves be dry. This is because water remaining on the leaves will dilute your dressing. Secret number 7. Line the sides of the bowl with dressing. This helps to distribute the dressing evenly. Please give us a thumbs up if you like what you see. It really does help us. Add more dressing if you think it's needed. Top each portion of salad with croutons. This way they don't become moist as they would if you toss them with the lettuce. You can garnish the bowls with Parmesan shavings to make them look fancy and for an extra hit of taste. Like this.
If you like this recipe, we think you like this video too. Thanks for watching.